I'm home. So I'm just gonna take some stuff out of the car and get on with my life. That's MG, man. Oh, I have to switch off the car before I get out of it. Yeah, and it's charging, definitely. Because if you look right there, it says I'm missing 1 bar, 2 bars, 3 bars, 4 bars. Big ones is 2, 4 small ones, 2 small ones, and closer. Yes, I'm missing 1 big one, 1 small one, 1 big one, 1 small one. That means it needs 4 bars, 2 big and 2 small, and that's it. That's how I have to do it, to charge it with the battery. I use the electricity in the house anyway. I don't go out there and pay money. I pay one bill. Where's my... Okay, I have to go, guys. We are here, guys. My house is a mess. I've taken that mess off. I throw it in the bin. It's gone. So I need to get my charger. My house is a mess, but I don't care. I need to iron some of my stuff anyway. So I've got my charger here. I'll show you how it's done. Oh, here we go. It's in the bag. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's my wheelies. I bought them like 2010. Yes, they are so old. I used them to do the gardening, which is boring. Look out there. Oh, garden. I think you know it anyway. Seen it. For those who haven't seen it, I'll show it to you just now. Okay. I've got that's the charger there. And it says plug. So I'm just gonna remove this CVT thing out. Here we go. It's out. And I'm gonna plug it somewhere. I'm gonna plug it right there. And after that, I'm gonna take this pad here and take it to the car. So I don't know how I'm gonna show you guys if I'm holding the phone and you have to be in it and myself. So I just forgotten the key. So here we go. Here we go. That's the charger and everything here. I'm holding it. Yes, this is the house and that's the car. So I'll show you when it's a bit far. I have to open somewhere around there. It's just the way because the parking here is too small. You can park a Bentley or a Mini. Open that and off we go. That is in, but it's a bit struggle because I'm far away from the, too close to the wall. Here we go. It's in, and that's how I charge my car. I'm just gonna lock it. So that's how it's done. Then I'm gonna just put it on right. This, yeah, right there. Oh, there's my gorilla. There's my hello, big guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put it down there. On, yes, and it's on. Close it down a little bit. Can you see the green mark there? It says charging. Oh, sorry guys, charging. It's charging. So So then I can see it from, it's too light anyway. If it's not too light, it's too dark. I don't understand these cameras anyway. Too close. Yeah, right there. Says green charging. I go up a bit, close there. Yeah, it's charging. So yeah, you can see it from here. It's charging right there. Right there is charging. So I'm charging it from the house. And we have steps around here. That's my old shoes. All these are my shoes. All the ones. And those boots right there, they're for the ones I was showing on my other videos when I was going to work. Look at this there. My job, heritage job. Okay. And we can close in the house. What do you think? My dining room is a laundry. That's for ironing there and hanging there. I just put them there last night. I can't take them in the bathroom for in case if you want to know why. I put in there and I can't take my clothes in there. That's my kitchen here. Yeah, so it is doing anyway. And my veggies on the window. So I'm coming, but these are the boxes. I have to take them outside. That in the bin, straight in my flowers there. In case you wondered why. Am I the veggies there? I'll show you to you how to make veggies in the house. So I don't want to step on my charger when I go outside. I'm gonna go and throw the rubbish in those bins. We need blue bin. Yes, blue bin.